Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna use the Naked Reloaded palette. This is a very neutral and beautiful palette, and this makeup look is a little dramatic. It's kinda artistic, but at the same time it is very glamorous, and I really like it. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. So if you wanna see how I got it, keep on watching and let's get started. To start off this makeup look today, I'm gonna use the P.Louise eyeshadow base primer, and this is the shade 05. This eyeshadow base is amazing. I really love it, especially to stick the shadows in the eyelid, and I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush all over the eyelid. For today's video, I'm gonna use the Naked Reloaded palette. I really love this palette because it's very high quality, also is very beautiful and so pigmented. It's a palette that if you don't have a lot of makeup, you will like it so much, especially if you're into the neutral shades, because it's very wearable and beautiful and the quality is amazing. That's why I really like it. Also, the packaging is amazing for travel. Also, it's something very glamorous and beautiful, so I really recommend you to try this out. And next, to add even more glam in this makeup look, I'm gonna use a little bit of glitter, and this is Midnight's Cowboy by Decay. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. One more thing, comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here on my channel. I will be so happy to know. And I see you later in the next videos. Mwah.